Ivy Tech Fort Wayne.
It's the Northeast Indiana FAME program.
We're in the FAME lab.
As soon as you let off that button, it stops that timer.
It's counting to 5.
FAME is an employer-led program where our employers will actually pick our classes.
So I come here 2 days a week, I learn, and then I go to my work 3 days a week where I put everything I learn into practice.
So it's got the lever on here. A lot of these students are just fresh out of high school, have no manufacturing experience, so it gives these kids a chance to get their foot in the door in a manufacturing job.
I work for Steel Dynamics, and we have a collaborative effort with Ivy Tech. They're our education partner. FAME fit for us. We were looking for a pathway to bring individuals who had recently graduated high school into our operations in the role of mill tech or electrical tech, and FAME provided that pathway for us. It's a challenge to find talent. We're all out there looking in the same candidate pool, and so just as other employers that joined FAME, we decided it was easier to grow our own talent than go out and find that talent.
The equipment that we use here has the same PLCs that they're going to see in industry. The same valves that we've got on our trainers are the same valves that they're going to deal with at work.
It's an opportunity to translate those skills immediately to the workplace.
I've already seen some translation already. Taking electrical classes, I've already had some electrical projects at work.
I've seen a lot of stuff. As I walk through the plant, I see things that I recognize.
The smart sensor train is a perfect example. That's a trainer that's new to us here, but we get a lot of people coming in saying this is what we're using at work, this is how we're setting up systems, so we want to get that piece of equipment, get trained on it, so when they're learning that here, they can go to work and be familiar with those components.
I think the biggest thing that we see is they're immediately immersed into our culture. They haven't been at another employer. This is their first opportunity to start a career, and so they don't come to us with any bad habits.
But we also go over professional behaviors. The goal is for them to come out polished, so when they're at work, they're that professional employee that the employees are looking for.
You know, showing up on time, speaking in front of a room, those types of things are taught in these courses, and that's something that you don't see with someone just coming right out of high school.
We want to get that coolant flowing before the motor actually starts. The program lasts for 5 semesters, so at the end of that 2 years, they've got a degree in their hand, and they've got job skills that their employer is very aware of.
We graduated our first class in 2022. 96% of the students that have come through the program have been offered full-time opportunities.
My family's really proud of me. They didn't really expect me to go to college, getting into the trades.
When they graduate, they do walk across the stage. I'm up there reading their names, shaking their hands. It means a lot. To see how far they've grown from when they come in the first semester to how they are in the last semester, it makes me proud.